Welcome to Learn Kashmiri with Arhan. In this video, we talk to a fruit vendor to buy some fruits. Let's get started. What is this fruit? Ye kya haz myavu chu? These are stunted apples. Yim haz ch trailer. Fine. Are these cherries? Acha. Yim cha gilas? Yes, these are double cherries. Ahanas yim ch double gilas. How much are the stunted apples? Trela kach. The stunted apples are 2 rupees a kilo. Trela has ch don rupian kilo. How much are the double cherries? Acha, double gilas kutis ch. The double cherries are 2 rupees a kilo as well. Double gilas te has ch don rupian kilo. Do you have apples? Toy chiva tsoot. Yes, sir, in that basket. They are 3 rupees a kilo. Ahan has huth tukri mans 3 rupian kilo. Are they any good? Jaan cha? Yes, they are amber apples. Ahan has amber tsoot. How much are the pears? Tang kach. Pears are 4 for a rupee. Tang ch rupee chor. Very well. Give me a kilo of amber apples, 1 kilo of double cherries, and 8 pears. Adhas div 1 kilo amber tzoomt, 1 kilo double gilasat, 8 tang. Do you have a basket? Toy chhawa toker. No. Please give in a paper sack. Nahas lifapas mas div. All right. Adhas. The total bill is 7 rupees. Kul gaye 7 rupiah. Here is a 10 rupee bill. Ye retiu 10 rupian hund note. Here is your change. Retiu has footwork. Thank you. Shukriya.